Hey everyone, how are you doing? After a long time, I'm gonna create another video tutorial for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create such a beautiful timeline just using Elementor. I'll do this timeline design just using Elementor free version. This is something that you may think this is hard to design, but actually this design is very simple. So without further ado, let's see how to design this. First of all, let's try to understand the layout. Look, here is a container. This is a container, and into this container there are three containers. One is this one, and another is this one, and this is the third one. That's simple. Let's design this. Here I will take a container, and into this container I will take another container, and I will duplicate this, and I will duplicate this again. I'll rename this container to TIMELINE timeline. I'll select this container, go to style, and I will change the background color to dark or black. And in the advance, I will add 100 pixel padding to the top and 100 pixel padding to the bottom. And now I will save this image. This is the image, as you can see. So I'll save this image MID. I'll save this image, then I will add this image here, and I will upload this image. This is the image. I'm gonna select this, and from the image resolution I will make it full white, full. Then I will reduce the container white a little, like this. Then I will add a section like this. First of all, I will drag a container into the first container, and I will change the background color of this container. I'm gonna change this background color to white. After that, I'm gonna copy this heading. You will add your own text here. I'm gonna copy this, then I'm gonna add this text here. I'm gonna drag this text editor here. I put this text, here's the text under this container. I have to put this text into the container. I can copy this one, but I think I believe you can do that. After that, I will add this image to I'm gonna save this image to CIRCLE. I will upload this image here at the bottom. This is the image. Then this is the image. I'm gonna select this one, and from style I'm gonna change this direction to right, and from the advanced tab I'm gonna change the position to absolute. Any element can have 4 positions: top, right, bottom, left. So here is 2 slider where we can change the position of an element. Here is the left element, here is the left align. I will make this right align, and from this slider I'm gonna put it down. I think this is perfect. I can increase or decrease this number here. That's it. Now I will move this container to down. That's why I will add a margin of 70 pixel. That's it. After that, I'll create second section. That's why I'll duplicate this one, and I'll change the background color. I'll change the background color. What is the background color? Let's make it gray. And I will change the text. Text will be white. Like this. After that, I will move this container to down. bottom of 94 pixel. That's great. Then I will copy this one. Hopefully I will copy this one and I'll paste it here, and then I will select this image. Here's the image, and I will go to the advanced. Then from the position I will make it left align. Then I will increase or decrease the alignment here. Then from the second slider, it's fine, but I have to put it down. I'll add a margin here. That's great. Now I'll copy this section and I'll paste it here again, and I'll make this image left align. That's it. That's simple. And here is a button. Let's add that button to the bottom. I'm gonna drag a button here under the image. Let's change the text. Explore more. I'll make this alignment center. That's it. Let's publish it. Here is our timeline. Hopefully you like this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. I wanna see you in my next WP Bravo tutorial. Till then, take care.